welcome back to my vlog. So I look like naluging pokpok. Sorry guys about my look. So I did because I just want to hold my hair so it will not gonna fall down. And afterwards guys, I'm gonna tell you about this one. So what we need is we're gonna need gagawa tayo ng harumaki. So harumaki banana. So gagawa tayo ng banana na spring roll. Banana na turon, banana turon. So all we need is just sugar and some harumaki wrapper or spring roll wrapper. So and also this banana. Ito yung banana na gagamitin ko. So 5 pirasong banana is okay. You know, 5 pieces of banana is enough. So 5 pieces of banana is already enough. So kasi hahatiin ko to, I will just cut it half. So all we need is just this one. You have to wash it first before you have to do anything else, because after you bought it from somewhere else, you have to rinse it, and because you have to hold it barely with your hands. So you have to make sure everything is clean before you touch anything else. So you have to make sure you have to wash your hands properly in order to, you know, to avoid food contamination or food poisoning or something like that. So what is important is you have to clean it. You have to work in a very clean way, okay? So now this is it in 10 pieces ba? Nagiging Bisaya. So this is going to be 10 pieces of harumaki sheet or spring roll sheet. So mukha tayo talagang pokpok na nalugi. Alam mo yun, galing sa pagiging hostess. Tapos alam mo yun, may 10 anak, tapos hostess. Ganyan. Sorry but you look like pokpok, you know. But anyways, so marami pa akong anak na alagaan. It looked like I have 10 children, and then I came from a bar, you know, it looks like I came from a bar, you know, bar job or something like that. So I look like a hostess or something like that. I look like a hooker with this look, you know, but I cannot help it. But anyways, never mind about my look. So we will just I was craving for this one actually, and afterwards I'm gonna tell you about it. And then we will gonna add this one, jackfruit. I washed this can already. It's already washed. That's why it's kind of there's a little bit of water on this one. So this is going to be a very special turon. So it has a jackfruit. It has a jackfruit. So it depends upon you if you're going to add this one or just simply plain with banana. So it's up to you guys. But for now, we're gonna have some special turon with the jackfruit. So, but if you cannot find anything any of this one, it's better. It's just fine, guys. So all we need to do is just simply remove this one in the plastic first and separate each one of this one. And after you separate this one, let's separate first this one, and afterwards I'm gonna like cut the banana, and it's just, you know, it's just an easy cooking, guys. It's just an easy cooking. And after I cut this banana, I'm gonna like put it in this wrapper and roll it, and together with the jackfruit. So this is very special, guys. So after this one, you fry it in the cooking oil, but I'm not gonna demo it to you guys. So because our kitchen is not really I felt it's not comfy to cook there. So together with the camera, guys, because it's very narrow, so I'm not comfortable doing it. But I will just gonna demo it to you how to do it, and it's up, and you just fry it. You know, everybody knows how to fry. You just put it in a cooking oil, and that's it. I will just demo to you how to do it, but it's so easy, guys. It's a very easy snacks actually. So it's my favorite snacks every 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So, you know, after meal, of course, and then after your lunch. Or you can serve it during your lunch time, or during after your meal. You know, it's gonna be a very good dessert afterwards. So it's just so easy, guys. So we're almost done with this one, so I'm just gonna like remove this one separately, and just to make sure you don't have any hole with this. So because you're gonna be in trouble afterwards, but that's fine. You can just cover it up or something like that, because this is kind of, you know, enough for wrapping itself. But anyways, let's just move on. So I'm gonna have some at first I'm just gonna open this one first, and together, and the rest will I'm not gonna use all of this one, so we will just gonna open it after we. So we're just gonna try to open it one, and then afterwards we'll just like you just have to be careful, you know, together with the this is the way how to open it easily. Be careful on doing it. Okay, so you just include the water or the syrup when you transfer it, and then afterwards the rest of this one you can keep it in the refrigerator. So if you want to remove the syrup, it's up to you guys. So it's up to you. So if you want to drain the syrup, that's fine. If you don't want to drain the syrup, it's also fine. Okay, there you go. It's all clean, and we just set aside this one. So it's going, oh, it's so smell good. This is going to be like this, guys. So ganyan ang itsura niya. Yan ang itsura niya, guys. Okay, and then afterwards we're gonna put the banana here. So we're just gonna peel the banana. So this one is gonna serve to be the serving spoon for the sugar. So we'll just peel the banana. So tanggalin lang ito. We'll just peel the banana, okay? And then afterwards, just I wash it well, so you don't have to worry about touching the banana by itself. So you can just peel it off, because my hands are clean. I wash my hands so thoroughly. I wash it well together with you know, the banana. So just to make sure there's no dirt inside. So I'm just removing the skin and keep it here. And then afterwards you can it's up to you guys. If you want to put the banana, the whole banana here like this, it's up to you guys. But for me, it's not half is enough, you know. Just cut the banana into half, just like this. And be careful on doing this one, because you might cut your hand or something like that. So if it's too much long, that's fine. So you can just, you know, cut it half, like this one. Cut it half. And after you cut it half, you put it here. Okay, you put it here. And you put some sugar, a little bit of sugar, maybe just like just a sprinkle of sugar, just a bit of sugar. I don't want sweet. So if you have problem with some sweetness, you don't need to put the you don't need to put the sugar anymore, or just like you put some sugar powder on top. That's fine also, or just don't put any sugar, but it's gonna have no taste at all. So and anyway, so let's just put this one, I'm gonna have like another plate. So I'm gonna cut that jackfruit on a separate plate. Okay, just gonna set aside this one first, And afterwards, I'm gonna show you how to cut this one. So make sure I can show you. So we'll just, maybe we will just need just like 3 of this. Maybe 3 of this. So it's up to you guys. If you want to have a lot of jackfruit, then it's up to you. Okay, just to make sure to remove all the excess water from, or some syrup from this jackfruit. And afterwards, we will just cut it into like, into strips or something like lengthwise. Okay. Why it strips? Because it's easy to wrap if it's long, if it's lengthwise, not into cubes. So it's easy to just put it together with the, or roll it together with the banana. So we will just like cut this one like this. Mango is not good because mango is kind of, it will gonna melt compared to the jackfruit. So I think mango is not really good to fry, and also even the avocado is not really good to fry. So the perfect one is this one because it has a flavor, so it will blend well with the frying, with the oil when you cook it. So you're never gonna have trouble with that. So there you go. So we'll just set aside that one, and we will proceed to this. So we are done with this banana. So I just put some sugar here. So make sure you have some space on the edge. So there's a little bit space on the edge. And afterwards, at the time, you can put the slice jackfruit. So if you want to add more jackfruit, it's fine. But if you just want to just make it like, you know, 1 stripe of jackfruit, that's fine. If you want to double it, it's fine. So it's up to you guys, okay? You can adjust. So now we will just wrap all this one, and just wrap it. Just keep on rolling. Just roll it. That's it. It's so thin. It's so simple, guys. It's so super duper simple. So, you know, just wrap it nicely and cleanly. So we're just gonna have like this. So it's just like you're wrapping some. That's just like this, guys. Okay. So it's perfectly wrapped. It's so easy. It's so easy, and you do the procedure, the same thing. So again and again until you finish wrapping it, until you consume all the wrapper. So okay, this is better. So just, you know, repeat it. Repeat it again and again. So okay, I'm just gonna put this one. If you forgot to put the, you know, the jackfruit, it's okay. That's fine, guys. So this is the canned jackfruit. It's already ripe. So don't buy the raw one. The raw one is not good. It's still ripe and it's still hard. So be careful on buying that. So all you have to do is just buy the ripe already. The yellow one, not the white one. Because there's two kind of jackfruit, that is raw and not raw. So you should better buy the ripe one, okay? So if you go to the Philippine store, any kind of Asian store, just ask for the jackfruit and tell them the yellow one, the ripe one, not the you know, not the raw one, okay? So this is so simple, guys. It's so simple and healthy dessert. So if you're like diabetic, or if you have problem with the sugar level, you just don't add some sugar anymore. So just itself, just like this. This is going to be delicious, guys. It's really my favorite. I don't really usually they use saba banana, but I don't like the saba banana because it's hard for me. Some people, they use the saba banana and it's still hard. When you eat it, it's still like, it's still raw. It's not really good. So for me, I love to use this one. It's because it's perfect. Just to make sure it's not the ripe one. You choose the hard banana, not the, can you see this banana? It's so fresh. So just buy the super fresh banana that's still hard and stiff. So if you fry it, it's not gonna melt. Because if you tend to cut the banana, or cut the hard banana, just like this one, the perfect one, if you tend to cut it and fry it, it's still intact. It will not gonna be like sticky, or it won't gonna melt. So it's still perfect to fry it, just like a saba banana. So that's just my what do you call it, my suggestion for you guys. So don't add a lot of sugar here, because the banana has a natural sweetness already. So if you put a lot of sugar here, it's gonna be very, very sweet, guys. So if you have some problem with the sugar level if you have some problem with your sugar level, it's gonna be a problem, guys. Okay, so just continue doing it again, as I said. So keep on doing it. Just keep on putting some jackfruit afterwards, and keep on rolling it. It's perfect. So make sure you have to fry it soon in a high temperature, and afterwards, just to make sure don't burn it. And only less than 2 minutes, it's already fried actually. So make sure you drain the oil, and it's good for snacking, guys. So there you go. So later, I didn't have so much I didn't get so much plate actually, but it's okay, this one. So we can adjust. Okay, if you're a cook, you know how to adjust. Okay, so we'll just always make sure to have a lot of serving spoon. Okay, don't use your bare hands doing anything else, because the food, especially the sugar, make sure the sugar is very dry. So make sure to use a very clean and dry serving spoon to that sugar. Okay, don't use this one because it's already has syrup, and you tend to scoop the sugar and put it here. That's not good. So you will have there's gonna be some effect to the sugar. So once the sugar got wet, it became hard. Okay, so make sure the sugar, look at my sugar, it's still it's still like brand new, and it's very dry because I never use any used spoon or dirty spoon, or some wet spoon to my sugar. Okay, so that's it. And then afterwards, we will continue doing our stuff until it finish. So we're gonna make some 10 pieces of haramaki of banana turon, because we only have 10 pieces of wrapper. Okay, so if you want to add more, then that's fine. You can buy more wrapper. So my dog is here. my dog thinks he's gonna eat this one. So he heard me talking here. So every time I'm here in the kitchen, on the, you know, every time I'm here on the, you know, this is so awful. Every time I'm here in the dining table, he thought I'm eating something. Okay? But anyways. Okay, I will just put it here. Okay, and then afterwards, we're almost done, guys. We're almost done. So just keep on doing it again and again. So all the time I consume 5 of this. So just peel off the banana skin. Just keep on doing this one, guys. What's wrong, baby? Come here, baby. He wants me to open the door, actually. What's wrong with you, baby? Oh, yak-yak siya dyan. The-drama siya, guys. Drama queen yan eh. Kunyari, iiyak. Tapos, pag binigay mo na yung gusto niya, hindi na siya iiyak, guys. Diba? Drama queen lang. So, ikat natin to. Dapat kasi ano to eh, dinirain mo na yung water. Pero okay lang yan. Para hindi mabasa yung wrapper natin. Medyo madami yung nilagay ko dito na ano, special to ah, kasi madami siyang jackfruit. Pag maraming jackfruit, mas masarap yan, guys, kasi parang maano siya, mas sticky ba. Ito na ang ating lumpia. Malapit na tayo matapos, guys. At ano ba ito? Nangyari dito. Kailangan malinis yung kamay mo kasi kawawa naman yung kakain pag madumi yung kamay mo, diba? Magkakaroon masasakitan yan nila. Kahit na sabihin mong pinirito na yan o niluto, iba pa rin kasi pag madumi yung kamay mo pa nagsiserve or nagpe-prepare ng food, lalabas pa rin yan. Pag naano na siya, pag lumamig na siya, doon ka magkakasakit ng kamay, saka mapapanis, madaling mapanis pag madumi yung kamay, you know. So, kailangan talaga malinis ang pagkaka-prepare. Binilisan ko lang to, guys, ang pagkaka-prepare kasi hindi ko na masyadong inayos-ayos para kasi alam mo nagmamadali na tayo sa gagawin natin para matapos na. Pero kung hindi ako siguro nagfi-filming, mas maayos to, guys. Mas maayos tong pagkakagawa ko. Pero napakadali lang to, kahit nga grade 1 kayang gawin to eh. Kahit mga chikiting nyo kayang gawin. Kayang gawin yan. Yung mga bata, lalo na pag mga vacation, wala silang ginagawa sa school. Ito yung mga pwede nilang gawing snacks, diba? Instead na bibili pa kayo sa labas, ito na lang yung gawin nyo, diba? Healthy na siya, matipid pa, diba? Huwag nating aksahin. Pag may mga excess na ganyan, ilagay natin. Huwag nating aksahin. Saka maganda yung banana natin kasi hindi malambot, hindi matigas. So, perfect na perfect siya. Ayoko talaga nung, minsan pag bumibili ako ng turon, Hindi ako, mas gusto ko yung gantong turon na ginagawa ko. Mas nasasayahan ako. Kasi minsan yung nabibili kong turon, ang tigas, tas ang mahal pa, 'di ba? Hindi sila marunong magluto. Basta makabenta lang, magbenta lang, 'di ba? Ganun lang. Yung customer kawawa, hindi happy, 'di ba? Tapos, ang oily pa, hindi masarap yung turon. Yan. Hindi ko pinapansin yung aso ko kasi nagwawala na siya. Hindi ko siya pinapansin. Galit-galit muna tayo, ha? May gusto siyang gawin. Hindi ko pinapansin. Diyan na lang muna siya. Kasi nagmamadali na ako dito, guys. Meron pa tayong 3 piraso na tatrabahuin. Ito na yung, ayan, para tayong nalugin na bakla. Para tayong nalugin na pok-pok. But anyways, ito na yung ating harumaki. Ito yung ating spring roll na banana, antong dito? Banana na turon. Okay, Philippine dish. It's a Philippine dish. Banana turon, guys. So, ang gagawin natin, ililipitan na natin to kasi tapos na tayo. Tapos, ipiprito na natin to, guys. Okay, there you go. Fry na banana saba with jackfruit. So, ito na po ang ating finished product. Basta yun na yun. So, yung iba, pumutok yung iba, but the rest, it's okay. So, hindi naman talaga perfect. But, ito siya, oh. Mas gusto ko yung ganito. Ito medyo na tostado na to kasi ito na pinaka-last kasi mainit na yung ating oil. And the rest, okay naman siya. So, ito yung kakainin natin. So, kapag kasi, so it tends na ganyan talaga siya. Puputok talaga siyang iba kasi medyo basa yung ating, ang ating, because, it sometimes, happen because our jackfruit is kind of, wet because of the syrup. But, if you tend to dry it, it won't gonna happen. So, if you have enough time to dry it up or drain or strain all the excess syrup or water from the jackfruit, then that's fine. But since we don't have enough time and suddenly I just, put it inside the, include it inside the wrapping, the the wrapping roll. So, okay lang. It tends to happen like this. But you can avoid it if you just have time to just separate it from the water. But anyways, we will just eat this one and let's taste it, guys. And beside me, I have my water. So it's okay with it's okay if you eat this one together with the soda. It really tastes good, guys. But this one is I will use it later on for this because I will transfer it. So, but anyways, we will just, it's still hot, guys. So we will dig it in. We will just test it out. So, kain po tayo. Mmm. 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 Perfect. It's not that sweet. It's perfect, guys. Mmm. It blends well with the jackfruit. It's so delicious, guys. Mmm. This is the jackfruit. Mmm. It's perfect. Mmm. So until here, guys, thank you guys for watching my vlog and hopefully to see you again in my next vlog. Please do not forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel and see you on my next vlog, guys. And please do not skip my ads. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!